Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's recipe, I will be cooking another tomato-based dish. This is mechado. Do you want to know the traditional way of cooking mechado? If you do, please continue watching and I will show you how to do it. Let's start by parboiling the marinate beef in a pot, adding a piece of sliced potatoes to thicken the sauce, followed by the sliced tomatoes and chicken stock. And I also added water, enough to submerge the meat. When it's starting to boil, set the fire to the lowest setting and cook the beef until tender. Now the beef is tender, just set aside. Pan fry all the vegetables, starting with the diced potatoes, carrots, and different colors of bell peppers. Pan fry enough to cover with the oil. Now we can start sauteing, adding olive oil and a butter to the pan. Put the bunch of onions, followed by the minced garlic and sliced red bell peppers. Adding the parboiled beef without the sauce. Then put the Chinese sausage or any sausage of your choice. Then add the tomato paste and cook well to bring out the flavors. Followed by the tomato sauce. Please don't stir the mixture. Allow to simmer for a while. Then put the sweet pickles. You can also add slice of lemon instead of sweet pickles. And to balance the flavors, add the brown sugar and for adding umami flavors too. And put the pan-fried potatoes and carrots. Then add the sauce from the parboiled beef. Stir well and cook the vegetables for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, the potatoes is not yet soft. I added the pan-fried bell peppers, then I gently mix to combine well all the ingredients. Instead of adding the usual oyster sauce, I added fish sauce or patis for added traditional Filipino umami flavors. And I also put crushed peppers for adding spice to the sauce. Please do not try to stir or else your sauce will be fishy. Let the strong odor of fish sauce evaporate first before stirring the sauce. Then adding vinegar for added tangy flavors and to extend the life of the dish. Then lastly, adding salt and pepper according to your taste. Alright, lumambot din. The potatoes is soft now. Taste natin. It's good. Daddy Don, let's eat!
Okay, I'm coming.